You might have seen people decorate their cakes with dried fruit, like I'm doing here with dried oranges. This is a great way to decorate your cake. It gives it a rustic look. And there are also many ways that you can use dry fruits in your cooking and baking. So I'm going to show you a simple way to make this. Firstly, you want to take nicely fresh orange, clean it properly to get rid of any residue on the skin. And then you want to thinly slice your oranges. Now, you can use a mandolin, which is a device that will give you thin slices. But if you don't have one, then just use your knife to make fine, even slices. The thinner your slices, the quicker your oranges is going to dehydrate. Now I'm using an air fryer which has a dehydrator function. If you don't have an air fryer, you can use your oven on really low temperature, like 50 degrees, and then you're going to put it in your dehydrator until it's nicely dry and all the moisture is gone. And you can use this for decorating, cooking. Voila,